Still handling support in Microsoft Teams through chats and scattered messages? It works until it doesn't. You can set up a basic help desk with an IT help desk team and a few channels. But without structure, things get missed, messy, and hard to track. With Desk365, everything just clicks. Users go to the support bot in Teams, a chatbot designed for end users to raise and track requests, and create tickets through a quick, guided flow, no back and forth, no guesswork. They can also create tickets directly from Teams chats or channel messages, turning conversations into trackable requests instantly. On the other side, your support team uses the agent bot, built for agents to manage and work on tickets, to reply, update, and stay on top of requests right inside Teams. Agents also get instant notifications for ticket updates and SLA alerts, so nothing gets missed. And when they need more control, they can open the full Desk365 agent portal within Teams with tickets, SLAs priorities, and reports all in one place. With Desk365 Microsoft Teams, you also get instant ticket notifications and SLA alerts within Teams, ticket creation and management via support bot and agent bot, convert Teams chats and channel messages into tickets, access the support portal and agent portal within Teams, and share and collect customer feedback directly in Teams. No switching tools, no chaos. Just a clean, structured help desk inside Microsoft Teams.